Car culture is changing. This vehicle will be the next step in its evolution.
I hope the cat likes it.
This is amazing. We are making an engine that makes the air cleaner.
The AI system in this car makes it safer than training wheels on a bike.
Or petting a cat.
Generation Z, Millennials, Gen X, and Boomers all want this vehicle. Cats are also anticipating its release. They can't wait to meow.
The look of this vehicle will beautify cities and towns. It will give the streets personality. It is Pussycat approved.
Wow, what a nice car.
Thank you. Nice dog, but aren't you a cat person?
Meow, meow, meow.
UAS. No Neko, no life.